Hey guys, I'm Sam.
I'm Jody.
Welcome back to our channel. We're so glad you joined us today. In the last video, you saw that we got a new building for our ministry, and what a blessing that is. And through the magic of television, it has been about 50 days, 42 days to be exact, from the time we finished everything. So we're going to do a little turnaround here for a second, and we're going to show you
Dun, dun, dun.
what the outside looks like. We're going to go all the way back, even down to this flower bed here. It's all brand new. We have painted everything. Flowers in the flower bed.
Blooming.
Blooming, hallelujah. The building looks just amazing. We got rid of that center post that was there and reinforced everything. And
Painted.
it's all new lighting.
Concrete.
New concrete, yes. New concrete. And of course, the wonderful logo. Real Life Fellowship, a dear friend of ours, made that for us. And he designed that logo 4 years ago for us, and we were able to put it on the side of this building at 4.5 feet tall, which is awesome.
Yes.
So we're going to go inside the building here, and
Dun, dun.
if you don't remember what it looked like, go look at the last video. So hop on in there, Jody.
Whoop, whoop.
And so everything has been painted. It's all brand new LEDs.
Brand new logo.
Logo, water cooler. And as you walk in, if you look to the right there, we have a children's area.
Little nursery.
For new moms. We're going to walk right over here. And so we've got new mom area with baby changing area, all new soft areas for the babies to walk and crawl. And just everything's brand new. Brand new LEDs. I mean, just literally everything is brand new.
Paint, and everything.
If you remember the men's bathroom,
it was delightful.
Everything is, again, brand new in here. That is the only, we're going to replace that urinal later. But it's good for now. We got it all fixed up. But all new plumbing otherwise. New countertops. Again, new paint everywhere. Yeah, what a blessing. We did keep the floor in here. This is old floor. Old,
it's really cool though.
Old kind of the 1-inch tile floor, and we were able to salvage that, so we wanted to keep that. And we're going to go right over here to, if you remember, the women's restroom. It goes over here to the right. Oh, and we got storage here. Forgot.
Closet. We put a wire shelf in there. It had hanging space and things, but we didn't want that. We wanted storage for the kitchen because the kitchen's right off the hallway. So when we make our family meals and our community meals, we wanted the storage easy right here for us.
Yes, and every Wednesday we have a community meal, so come join us sometime.
Yes.
And go right over here to the women's restroom. And again, the ladies are super excited about this.
Yay.
Again, all new lighting. Got rid of the weird sconce lighting from the 90s or 80s. And then we new countertops, painted everything. And this has an interesting tile in here too, so we were able to keep that.
Yes.
Yeah, new plumbing, new toilets,
new paint.
Yeah, everything, new sinks. Everything is brand new. So we were able to reuse the counters, but we made new countertops. So now let's head over here to the kitchen. And if you remember, we were just right here. And again, the storage that Jody was talking about.
And then the kitchen originally had the refrigerator right here. And
it was very cluttered.
Well, it wasn't enough space for what we do because we do feed at least 60 people on a Wednesday night. And so we wanted more space. So we took the refrigerator from here. There were cabinets here.
We'll turn back to that in a second. But we got a new dishwasher, new countertops, new stove, new sink, new commercial microwave, ice maker, and now I'll turn around here and we'll go ahead. What you're going?
We moved the refrigerator from here to open up that space for serving and preparation, and now we have the refrigerator. And this is one of those handy ones that will go. It will be either a full refrigerator or a full freezer. And so we have a refrigerator in here and a freezer in the food pantry.
Yeah, so we'll start heading that way. But this kitchen has come a long, long ways. Looks amazing in here. We've already used it, and it works perfect. We're still learning how to transition everything.
Yes.
And then we walk over here. This was the family room, and it is the family room. This was a little fellowship hall, but we made this into a family room, put some couches in here. And again, if you noticed, I don't know if you paid, I didn't say it in the nursery, but I don't know if you noticed, we took all the carpet out and we did the polished concrete floors. So very durable, looks amazing.
No epoxy or anything, just complete concrete, just sanded and polished.
Yes, they did not recommend using epoxy for what we were doing because it would get scratched. But there's our coffee center.
Bar and condiment area when you have food.
Well, coffee donuts on Sunday mornings, you got to have that. And then on Wednesdays, it's iced tea, waters, condiments, all those things. And again, just amazing. And so we'll turn back around here and we'll keep heading back. And back here we have, again, just I'll say what probably the heart of our ministry is feeding. It really is feeding the hungry, and we have not restocked yet because we moved everything over, but we got to restock. If you'd like to help out with that, reallifefellowship.ch, and you can donate to Food Pantry. And we have helped over 500 families with the food pantry. And so if you are in the Lubbock area, you know someone in need, have them give us a holler, and we'll do our very, 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 very best. And
because of the facility, we decided that we would put the food supplies in here, and then like if we have diapers, we have toilet paper, we have those kind of things that people would need elsewhere stored in the church. And if someone needed formula or those kind of things, we had a stock of it and then it expired, and so we thought the best thing would be to have a gift card or to buy it fresh, just so that babies get the top of what it is, and then we would be up on all the recalls and everything.
Yes, because again, I don't think anybody should be hungry in our country. I just don't. And Jesus fed the hungry, so that's what we do. And again, we've got to restock. It's really thin right now because we just moved everything over.
But this is such a good idea. I mean, our ladies are so fabulous. They're like, you know what? Just because you're hungry doesn't mean you don't have a birthday or you don't have a cake. You don't get to have a celebration. So this cake you can make without eggs or anything. It's just the soda is the leavening that you need for the cake mix, and then you frost it and have the candles, so they can have a celebration all in one box.
Yeah, it's called a Sprite cake. I've not tried one of those, but I want to try a Sprite cake. The ladies swear that it is amazing. So,
yeah.
But again, our food pantry, we're going to be restocking that here soon because of just our move. And now we'll walk over here, and we're going to go back to that entry. Give you a sneak peek as we walk by.
Woohoo.
But go back to the entry here. And, again, this has been 42 days. Everything is new. Exit sign is new. All the lighting is new.
Fire extinguishers are new.
Yes, everything is new. So now we're going to walk in, and if you were to walk in our front door, and the building is kind of laid out a little different because the parking lot's in the back. So most of our people use the back door, but
the front door is really pretty.
This is the prettiest area. It really is. So now we go over here, and as you step back this way, you see we transition from tile and white to some black trim, and that just brings us all right into our sanctuary. And this worship center, again, concrete floors, which has been just amazing. And the chairs were already here, but all new lighting everywhere in the sanctuary. Everything's painted.
We decided to go with a black ceiling and a black accent.
With a black waterfall.
Contrast.
And again, if you're here in our times of worship, it's a great time. If you can't be with us in person, again, we have many options. RLF LBK on Facebook and on YouTube. And of course, reallifefellowship.ch. You can join us virtually. And we have people all over the country that are part of Real Life Fellowship. And we love that. Actually, all over the world. We have a ministry in Pakistan as well. And I encourage you to check us out. You've seen us in our videos. We are the same everywhere.
Yes, and the service times are 10 a.m. Central on Sunday and 7 p.m. Central on Wednesday.
Yes, and we stream those, so you can join us. Now, I'll say our website is the highest quality, but you can see us on Facebook and YouTube as well. RLF LBK, Facebook and YouTube, and reallifefellowship.ch on the website. But let's keep going with our tour here. So, cleaned up. Our people are so amazing. Every chair has been cleaned,
Shampooed.
cleaned, steamed. And again, this floor is amazing. Um, and new carpet on the stage. Everything is literally new. New speakers. We decided I'm a big electronics guy, as you guys know, and I like technology that works. And unfortunately, in the space that we have here, there was a projector, but we'd have to go with like a 7 to 10,000 lumen to get even close to a TV quality. So we just got a giant TV, and it works amazing. Jody, go ahead and stand up there. You can see how big that thing is, and it works awesome. So if Jody was standing where the praise team stands, it works perfect. And we're just so thankful for this adventure and this place and the blessings that God has provided here. And I can't wait to see what God does. We started as a house church, and in that process of starting as a house church, we went without a building for three and a half years.
Yep.
And we didn't want to rush it. And God provided us with this place. Again, you heard the news on the last
awesome
video.
Story.
It's an amazing story. It's a God-sized story. How a former ministry, Joyful Noise Christian Fellowship, partnered with us and transitioned this place to us. You saw what it was before, and this is what it is now. And we could not do it without the blessing of the Lord and without this wonderful ministry before the legacy they have. So we're excited about continuing that legacy together.
And it's awesome that it still looks like a home, y'all.
Yes.
It is in a neighborhood. When you look outside, it looks like a house. And when you're inside, it feels like home.
This is home.
So
we are so thankful that you are part of this journey. Make sure you like and subscribe, follow us. We're just doing life together. I am a minister. Jody's a minister's wife. Pray for her. And
a kindergarten teacher.
kindergarten
Double
teacher.
prayers, please.
Yes. And so we just do life. We're just truly real people serving a real God in a real world, and we're just doing life together. And I encourage you to keep joining us. We're trying to get back in our YouTube mode here now that Jody's feeling so much better. I got some new things coming, so I can't wait to show you guys that here in the next future. But yeah, can't tell you yet. But I pray that you have an amazing and blessed every day.
And live life to the fullest.